Hey fam, it's Shanika here. Welcome back to my channel. We're in the kitchen today and I'm making a no-bake Japanese style cheesecake, and let me tell you, it's simple, creamy, and so good. So first I started with the Philadelphia cream cheese, nice and smooth. Then for the crust, I crushed up some Biscoff cookies and pressed them into the bottom of my pan. That buttery cookie flavor is undefeatable. Next, I melted down the Biscoff cookie butter and poured it right over the top as a rich, smooth layer. So just look at the top, you guys. After that, I added a little strawberry topping for some sweetness and color, because cheesecake plus strawberry equals always a yes. Once everything was layered, I covered it. I did let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours. The cookies have to be soft so it can be perfect. No oven, no stress, just vibes and desserts. Let me know if you guys would try this recipe, and if you want the recipe, I can write it out below in the comments for you. But you don't have to just use the brisk off cookies. You can use Oreos. You can use um when you guys make like banana pudding, the cookies that they use to make that, you can just use the Biscoff by itself. You can use blueberry toppings. You guys, you can make this in so many different ways. It's a really nice snack. I absolutely enjoyed it. It looks like it got soft because that one just kind of melted down. But no, it still needs to get softer. It's not soft enough, but this one did. I should have laid them down. But I'm going to take some because I want some so bad, you guys. Yeah, the cookies are still hard. Ooh, look at that. I love me some cheesecake. Hey, you guys. So today is Saturday. I just came back from running errands, pick up some groceries for the week, stopped at Home Goods, Aldi, and I'm going to step back out because I have a couple of things I need to return. Don't mind this pimple patch on my head. I had a pimple and I popped it. No, I actually dug my face up, so it became like a like an actual cut, bruise, scar. So I'm putting a pimple patch on there so that it can heal better. Lately my skin has just been acting crazy, and I know it's because of the sugar that I've been intaking. But yeah, anyway, I wash my hair. I'm thinking I'm going to cut my hair all the way off and do a TWA and just let it be natural for a while. So I just slicked it all back because I had to go out today and I wasn't quite ready yet to cut it all off. I think I want to have some new growth, a lot more new growth that'll be natural, so that way I don't have to cut it all the way off. But as you can see from Aldi, I just picked up some sweet potato fries, almond milk, cereal, bagels, bananas, apples, cream cheese. And you guys, they don't have this all the time, but they finally had the sausages in turkey. They always have them the maple regular sausage, but never the turkey. So when you see this, you got to pick this up. It's so good. I got some eggs, a bag of avocado. I got some salmon, two skinless salmons, and I got some chicken wings. I'm gonna go ahead and clean those two now, and then me and Bear, we're gonna head out to run a couple of errands together. From Aldi, let me show you what I picked up. I saw this in there. They had it in a beautiful cream color, but I was like, the cream gets dirty too fast. This is supposed to be like a floor pillow. It is extremely cushionable. It's like a mattress, you guys. So when I saw the brown color, I was like, I have to get this. And instead of using it as a floor cushion, I'm going to use this as Bear's new bed, because he does need a new bed because he put the hole in his other bed. But it's very comfortable. He loves it. So, yeah. And then from Home Goods, let me show you what we picked up. I picked up one thing from Home Goods, but I think I'm going to go and return it because I actually have the vase, a vase in this color, and I have a marble vase, the same exact style, the same color. So when I saw the bowl, I was like, you know what? I really like the bowl. Let me pick it up. But I think I'm going to return this, you guys. I just wanted to see if I wanted to keep the vase or I wanted to keep the bowl. So I think the bowl is going to go back. It's really nice, but I have enough bowls. And if I'm going to do another bowl, I want it to be like a big bowl where it'll make like a big impact and just be like a big statement piece. So this is nice, but it's going to go back. And then let me show you Bear. He is loving his new bed, you guys. Isn't it nice? He loves his bed. It's so cute. So you guys are going to be using some white vinegar To clean the chicken and the salmon, we're going to be using a lemon lime for both. Um, we are going to be using the kinder Japanese barbecue seasoning. I love that seasoning. We're going to be using rice vinegar, which is seasoned. Slappy and Mama, I'm going to add some, marinate everything in some Korean barbecue sauce. Oh my God, that Korean barbecue sauce marinade is really nice. I highly recommend it. Then I'm going to use some chicken bouillon. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. I just want to take a moment to talk to everyone up north dealing with the winter storm right now, or even some places in the south. I do want you to know that I'm praying for your safety, your warmth, and your peace. I pray that your families are protected, that nobody is left out in the cold, and that our homeless brothers and sisters are covered and cared for. And I'm praying for the animals too, that they find shelter and warmth. If you're in the affected areas, let me know how you're preparing and how you are doing. We're all connected, and I want you to know that you are not alone. Sending love, prayers, and warmth to every single one of you. And may God bless you in Jesus Christ's name. So I'm gonna now that I finished seasoning the salmon and the chicken, I'm gonna put these in the fridge and just let them marinate overnight. So I can't wait to cook these. I'm probably meal prep. So I just have something for the first 2 days of the week, Monday and Tuesday. So I don't have to worry myself about cooking because you guys already know how work is on Mondays. People just always like to just show the ugliest side of themselves sometimes, and it's just so frustrating, but it is what it is. You learn patience, you learn to endure, and over the years I've learned not to take offense to people being mean or unkind and not let it change my attitude and how I treat them. And I give God all the glory for that because the Holy Spirit convicts me when I respond in a way that I shouldn't. So I ask God every day, Lord, help me to put on the mercy and kindness and love that Jesus Christ shows towards people. So he's doing the work in me and he'll continue to work in me until the very end. So let me show you guys what it looks like. This marble is extremely heavy. I absolutely love the color. Burgundy is my favorite color. And this is the vase that I also picked up last week. I love the vase. The bowl is just too small for me, too small for the space. So I am going to return the bowl, but I'm keeping the marble vase. You guys, it is extremely heavy. And I think it was a really good price. It was $40 for the material, something that you're going to have for a very, very long time. I think it's absolutely worth it. No, I'm not going to keep this here. I just put it here just so you can see it compared to the bowl. So I like the base of this lamp. I think it's really nice. I also found this other cute lamp. I'm not sure that it's really my style, but I just like the green forest color. I think it'll liven up my space since I have a lot of black. Look at this one. It's 109, but it doesn't have a top. But I like that marble base. I think it's nice. This one's 25. I like this one. I don't like the shade, but I like this one. So I'm back home from HomeSense. I didn't buy anything. So excited about that, but I had to get something to eat. I had a headache, so I'm making some chicken breast, broccoli, and sweet potato. I picked up this beautiful chrome table from Target. It was on sale for $32. I just think that pop of chrome in a space just looks so nice and makes a big impact. So I wanted to see how it would look in my space. I thought it looked nice, but my space has a little bit more of earthy, calm, neutral, cozy vibes. So this chrome table kind of threw things off. So you guys tell me what you think. I put it in the corner at the side of my couch. So, you know, if we're reading a book or have something to drink, it'll be a coaster there that you can put your cup on. A nice side table with a marble lamp. I just thought was really funky. But you see what I'm saying here, where you just see everything is just warm and cozy? Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. God bless you and stay safe. Don't forget to like, share.